thought we would have a little look at an indoor flight of the QX65. So we saw this the other day as the outdoor flight, running around, really having a whale of a time. My really bad acro control, but still I'm quite new to acro. But all in all, I really enjoyed the flight. I thought it was an excellent little flight. I thought she was a brilliant little learning quadcopter. Really, really, really good. And I'm going to be using this a lot more. So what I wanted to do today was, because Eachine have rated this as an indoor flyer, I wanted to see what it's like in my small living room. So what I'm going to do for the minute is we're just going to turn her on. So to begin with, let's just pop her on. Now this isn't going to be a fully comprehensive indoor flight test. We did the comprehensive one yesterday. This is just going to be a little bit of fun on the inside, on the indoor, just to have a little look and see exactly how she does. So what we're going to do is, I've got a couple of batteries here fully charged. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take her up, we're going to fly her around, we're going to see how she does. Very gently, nothing spectacular, and see exactly where we go from there. So, alright then, what I'm going to do next is we're going to bring this up, we're going to move switch B into arm, and then we're going to take her up. Okay, so here we are. We're up, we're running, and she looks remarkably good. She really does. Looks like a remarkable little flyer. Now I'm going to be quite careful how I fly her. I don't want her to start jumping off in any direction. But I like her. She's very smooth. And outdoor, when we had no wind, we saw that she was very... Oh, I think that's the battery. Now that one wasn't fully charged. So let's just replace this one straight away. Now when we saw her fly outside, we saw her fly extremely solid. And I really enjoyed it, no breeze at all, and even though she has only got brushed motors, this is a really capable copter. There we go, and she is capable of a lot. So I'd be quite interested to see what she's like indoors, and first impressions are that she is really, again, quite quick. Really, really easy to control, very easy to control, very. Oh, that's the other battery's gone as well. This isn't going so well, is it? Maybe I didn't give them a full charge. Let's try it again then. And first impressions indoor is that she just, again, she wants to fly. This copter is a fast little copter. For a brushed motor, she is very quick. She just wants to go, and that is absolutely fine. If you've got a big enough room to let her do that, then brilliant. I unfortunately don't. So I'm just going to keep her quite restricted for the second. But wow, I really like this, I do. It's a fun little copter, and inside as well, she's so quiet. Those brushed motors really aren't that loud. But at the same time, when you want it, when you need the power, you just have the power right there for you, with you. And she's so nice to control. Whether she's darting around or whether she's going for a nice little leisurely flight. Oh, this feels so good, it does, indoors. Now I'm hoping that I can get access to quite a large place where I can fly this indoors in the Bristol area. Because I really want to see what this is like in a proper inside, like say leisure centre area. That would be incredible. But just indoors, oh, she's good.